Just got your first credit card? That's a big step. But before you start swiping, let's talk about the top 10 mistakes to avoid so you don't end up in a financial mess. Stick around. This could save you serious cash. 1. Paying late or missing payments. Life gets busy, but missing a credit card payment can tank your credit score and rack up late fees. Set up automatic payments or reminders to ensure you always pay on time. Your future self will thank you. 2. Only making minimum payments. Paying just the minimum might seem convenient, but it keeps you in debt longer and costs more in interest. Aim to pay your full balance each month to stay ahead. 3. Carrying a balance. Carrying a balance means you're paying interest on your purchases. If possible, pay off your balance in full each month to avoid unnecessary charges. 4. Overspending beyond your means. It's easy to overspend with a credit card. Remember, it's not free money. Stick to a budget and only charge what you can afford to pay off. 5. Applying for multiple cards at once. Applying for several credit cards in a short time can hurt your credit score. Start with one card, use it responsibly, and build your credit history gradually. 6. Ignoring your credit utilization ratio. Your credit utilization ratio is the percentage of your credit limit you're using. Keeping it below 30% is ideal for your credit score. So if your limit is $1,000, try not to carry a balance over $300. 7. Not reviewing your statements. Always check your credit card statements for errors or unauthorized charges. Reporting issues promptly can prevent bigger problems down the line. 8. Using the wrong type of card. Not all credit cards are created equal. Choose one that fits your lifestyle, whether it's for building credit, earning rewards, or low interest rates. 9. Taking cash advances. Cash advances come with high fees and interest rates. Avoid using your credit card for cash withdrawals unless it's an emergency. 10. Closing old credit cards. Closing a credit card can shorten your credit history and increase your credit utilization ratio, both of which can lower your credit score. If there's no annual fee, consider keeping the card open. Navigating your first credit card can be tricky, but avoiding these common mistakes sets you up for financial success. Remember, responsible credit use opens doors to better financial opportunities. Found this helpful? Give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial tips. Got questions or experiences to share? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos to continue your journey to financial literacy. See you next time.